Welcome back to our channel where we discuss the best gadgets that enhance your home. Today, we'll be exploring the best couches of 2024. This article, written by our experts, will help you find the perfect couch for your living space. We scour the web looking for customer feedback on retailers and forums like Reddit to always give you a detailed look on which product are the most useful for different needs. With that being said, let's begin. Our first product, the Laceland Modern Sofa, best for small spaces. This sleek, modern couch features a solid wood frame and high-density foam, supporting up to 900 pounds. The removable and washable sofa cover makes it easy to clean, perfect for homes with pets. Its compact design fits nicely in small living rooms without sacrificing comfort or style. The non-slip foot pads protect your floors, and the easy assembly process takes less than 20 minutes without any tools. What sets the Laceland Modern Sofa apart is its combination of practicality and luxury. The compact design makes it an excellent fit for small living rooms, apartments, or even home offices. Customer reviews highlight the Laceland Modern Sofa's high quality, durability, and comfort. Users appreciate its affordability and easy assembly. However, some find the back height less ideal, as it may not provide sufficient support for taller individuals. Next up, we have the Hanbei Convertible Couch, best for studios. This sectional sofa is designed for small apartments, offering firm and supportive cushions that improve with use. The chaise can switch sides to fit your room layout, and the ottoman can double as a footstool. Assembly is simple and takes only 20 minutes. This sofa is easily disassembled for transport, making it perfect for those on the move. Customers praise the Hanbei Convertible Couch for its comfort and value. It's seen as a great starter couch for new homes, with easy assembly and attractive design. The sectional design allows for flexibility in arranging your living space, making it suitable for a variety of room layouts. However, opinions on sturdiness vary, with some questioning its durability over time. Despite this, it remains a popular choice for small living spaces, offering a blend of comfort and practicality at an affordable price. Our next product, the Furnywell Convertible Sectional Sofa Couch, is best for larger spaces. This spacious couch features removable and washable cushion covers, making it easy to keep clean. The breathable linen fabric is pet-friendly, and the sturdy wood frame ensures durability. Despite initial cushion flatness, fluffing them up helps. The minimalist design fits well in modern homes, providing ample seating for movie nights. Customer reviews highlight the Furnywell sectional couch's stylish design, value for money, and easy setup. Many users appreciate its spacious seating and comfort, making it ideal for larger living spaces. However, some report issues with cushion placement and thickness, which can affect the overall comfort. Despite these concerns, the Furnywell Convertible Sectional Sofa Couch is praised for its sturdy construction and stylish design, making it a great addition to any home. The Nixu Cloud Couch for living room, most comfortable. This U-shaped sectional sofa is designed to offer ultimate relaxation with its high-resiliency foam cushions and luxurious chenille fabric. The chenille fabric provides a soft, smooth touch, adding to the overall comfort and luxurious feel of the couch. This makes it an inviting spot to relax after a long day, offering a plush seating experience that envelops you in comfort. The high-resiliency foam cushions are designed to maintain their shape and support over time, preventing sagging and providing consistent comfort. Customers love the Nixu Cloud Couch's plush seating and elegant design. Many highlight its comfort and luxurious feel, making it a popular choice for those looking for a high-end couch at a budget-friendly price. However, some find the back pillows thin and the sofa sits low to the ground. Despite this, it's praised for its comfort and style, making it a budget-friendly option for modern homes. Finally, the Carl Home Modern Deep Seat Couch is best for design. This couch features two-layer seat cushions with high-resiliency foam, thick removable armrests, and a deep seat for a cloud-like experience. The chenille fabric provides a smooth touch, and the solid wood frame with a metal back frame ensures robust support. It's practical for pet owners, as dirt stains lift easily with hand soap and water. Customer reviews highlight the Carl Home Couch's spaciousness, chic style, and sturdy construction. Many users appreciate its deep seat and comfortable cushions, making it ideal for relaxing. Some find the back height low, but it's praised for its easy assembly and excellent value. This couch is perfect for anyone seeking a stylish and comfortable addition to their living space. That's our top 5 best couches of 2024. If you want to dive deeper into the terminology, technical specifications, and more product details, visit the article page on our website titled The Best Couches of 2024. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below. Thank you for watching our video. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great content. Stay tuned for our next video.